Sagi, and I think a lot of you guys haven't forget about Sagi. So Sagi is our Sagi is our area sales manager for the grain logistics in our region. Thank you, Sagi.
Thank you very much. It's going to be difficult to follow Herman in Afrikaans, so please allow me to talk in English, and thank you for that. My name is Sagi, for the ones that you don't know me, and I am Persian. I'm from Iran, land of Aryans used to be. This year actually is the year I'm going to celebrate my 10th anniversary with Buhler. I started my career with Buhler in Iran, and now I am privileged and honored to be part of your community in grain handling business. So from what Herman mentioned to us regarding all the food and non-food businesses that Buhler is in, grain handling or grain quality and supply is one of the highlighted parts. Since we decided to expand the portfolio of our products from farm to fork. If you look at this picture, 30% of food is getting lost from the field to fork. 85 million tons of these losses is happening at the level of handling and storage. This is a huge amount. And by the way, the monetary value of these losses in sub-Saharan Africa is $4 billion. This can feed 48 million people. So by knowing this and following sustainability as one of the main pillars of our company, we are committing ourselves and we are aiming to 30% less in terms of energy consumption and 30% less food losses in all the technology and the innovations that we are offering to you. By knowing that, and once again, focusing on the full or the complete food value chain from farm to fork, this picture can show completely the portfolio of grain handling along the food value added chain. It starts from the collection points or the storage facilities that you all are familiar with, all the way to the ship loader, ship unloader, again to the silos or collection points, and from there to the processing plants, in which in some of them, like rice processing and grain milling, we are market leader in the technology and innovation. So at a glance, this portfolio from the technology perspective is covering our processing system, conveying elements, drying system, dust aspiration, ship loading and unloading, and the storage facilities for all these types of grains and seeds and the applications that you can see here. And if you allow me, I would like to point out some of the highlighted machines in each portfolio, but I will just focus on the 4 main ones on the top for the purpose of this symposium. But obviously, if you have any questions from the other parts, you can always ask, and I'm here after the presentation. So from processing systems, the universal cleaning state-of-the-art machine is our TOS. This machine can clean all types of grains and seeds up to capacity of 250 tons per hour. It can even clean 2 grains at the same time. And I am confident to say this is one of the best cleaners worldwide. Then is SMA, very specialized for oil seed cleaning, for instance for sunflower particularly, and it can go up to capacity of 220 tons per hour. Laga Grain Plus or Farm Plus, which is my favorite machine. It is for smaller capacities, 50 to 60 tons per hour, once again for all types of grains and applications. Drumsiff or Laka is a pure pre-cleaner. It can go up to capacity of 800 tons per hour. And last but not least, for the seed processing, we have Ultra Trier or the sorting cylinder that can go with different various capacities for various applications and seed. And obviously each of these machines is coming with its own aspiration system, standard aspiration system that we also manufacture it locally at our honeydew-based workshop that Herman mentioned. Yeah, from conveying elements, I'm not gonna go through the details, just in brief, chain conveyors, elevators, screws and belt conveyors, and we have also this type of new conveying, or you might know it as pump conveying system. We call it turbo. I don't have the slide here, but I have the pamphlets with me, and we can talk about it. This is still under development for the capacities up to 150 or 200 ton, but at the moment we are using that in our processing plants. Drying system, again, a state-of-the-art dryer. The name EcoDry is coming with its own cooling unit, its own standalone automation system, which is called EcoMation, and also an intelligent app that enables you to run your dryer and to measure all the parameters from your phone or from your iPad at home, and it's called Eco Intelligence. And then dust aspiration, again, complete portfolio of round spot filters, intake aspiration, and different types of cyclones. And the highlighted parts of this portfolio is the intake aspiration system, complete aspiration system for centralized and decentralized aspiration, and also spot filter as an easy solution in two formats of vertical and horizontal. Last but not least, automation and customer service packages, different solutions from software, hardware, visualization, modernization, and also retrofit packages. And one of the popular packages that we are offering in our customer service is ProPlant, which is a preventative maintenance system. So once again, and all in all these technology and innovation that we are offering along the food value chain is for you to enable you to run your plant easier, more efficient in terms of energy saving and less food losses, particularly grain losses, so contribution to the reduction of food grain losses in sub-Saharan Africa, and also more profitable. This is ultimately to meet the demands of triple bottom line: people, profit, planet. Thank you very much.